favorite because it's Stitch.
Emma, picture short.
Monsters Inc. laugh floor. Might as well. 5 minutes standby. Let's go. Need more laughs.
Seriously.
Attention humans. Hi, I'm Ross. I'm about to open the door to Monsters Theater. Please move all the way forward and fill in all the available space. I need to get more humans inside. Trust me, Monsters Incorporated needs all the laughter it can get.
First,
That was awesome.
your phone. Secondly, don't be stupid. They go home, they can't see the show. Well, it's not my fault they left their phone at home. Oh, you're ruining everything.
Hi, everybody! Hi, I'm Buddy Boyle. I am one of the funny monsters here at the laugh floor. You guys know who your MC is? It's Monster Ceremonies. You know, green guy with one eye. If you know his name, shout it out.
Mike Wazowski.
Mike Wazowski. Here's what we're gonna do. When I point to this side, you guys yell, Mike, over here, Wazowski. Here we go.
Mike. 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 Mike.
Oh, I didn't point over there, Wazowskis. Guess what, everybody? Guess what? That completes our mic check. Okay, I got some laughs, a little kitty applause, 3 gigawatts, off to a very good start, and guess who what's gonna dance? Come on, peace out, delivery! Let's see.
Hello, humans! Good. I'm Mike Wazowski. That's Wazowski with one eye. Welcome to the laugh floor. Now, if this is your first time in a monster world, there are a few things you should know. Like if I said, "You stink" to that guy, it would be a compliment. You're welcome, sir.
Also amazing was an evil scarab by the name of Randall.
Dun, dun, dun. The face of pure evil right there. And Randall was amazing because Randall could just disappear. Can you just disappear, Randall? Can you be... Oh, he's good.
It's just a light. Hi, I'm Buddy. Wait a minute. Yep, I'm getting a psychic signal. I believe your name is Bethany. Am I right?
That's right.
Yeah! Oh, wait, hang on. Yes, I believe you're celebrating a birthday. Is that right?
Yes.
Give it up for my powers! They're amazing! They're remarkable! And, alright, so she's wearing a button. So what? It's,
Oops, my finger slipped.
Well, look at that, Roz. The can's half full.
Looks half empty to me.
Super fun. This first show comes from my friend Leslie from North Carolina. What does a tick and the Eiffel Tower have in common? Say what? What? They're both parasites. Hey, this one here is from Olivia and Chris from Florida. What do snowmen eat for breakfast? Say what? What? Frosted Flakes. Hey, this is...
Well, I guess I have to promote the one responsible.
Oh yeah, what's my new title?
Not you, Wazowski. That guy.
Now I'm getting ready to go on Buzz Lightyear. See if I can save the galaxy. So this is slightly different than what I remember it being. Because it used to be right there is where
Alliance, the evil Emperor's servant.
I'm not doing very good right now. 160,000. Not very good. Alright, so we stopped for quite a bit, so that's not really fair. So I'm gonna try riding it again and see if I can do it. Fair and square this time, we didn't stop at all. Galactic Hero, here we go. That's not and my number went away. Oh no! Good thing I took a picture. So it does exist. Fail! Now I started back at 0.